What's up guys, Aaron with Twins Garage. This is going to be another blog video. On the last one that I did the heads and the head studs, and my torque wrench only went to 84 foot-pounds, and ARP wants you to go to 90. So I borrowed my friend's torque wrench here. So I borrowed my buddy's torque wrench, and of course it was broken. So I had to hit up another buddy to get his torque wrench, and I just picked that up. So here's my buddy's torque wrench. We're gonna get the correct foot-pounds in there, and we're gonna tighten these up to 90 foot-pounds so we can start putting the cams on. Why can I never find my adapters when I need them? I'm looking for an adapter so I can put my socket on here, and of course I can never find the dang adapters when I need them. Update on the engine bay. We have not finished wiring the AVCS because I want to make a video on how to do it since I got that side done. And I'm also going to put the cams on this side, and then I'll do a tutorial video on how to put them in on the other side, just because I'm not 100% sure yet. I gotta watch some more videos and kind of learn as I go. Like I always say, I don't claim to know everything about Subarus. I'm learning as I go. That's it. It was sitting over here the entire time. So, got the adapter. Now we're gonna torque her down. Okay, and this head is officially on, torqued down. So now you absolutely need engine lube, engine assembly lube. It's around 10 bucks. I think I paid 8 something for this, because you're gonna want to get it on everything in here, because you don't want to put the cam on dry. You will probably not have a fun time after you start your engine up and whatnot. So I'm going to pull these little thingies out, I'm not quite sure what they're called, get those all lubed up inside, and then I'll be back. Oh yeah, so I'm not going to do a full tutorial video right now on this cam install, but I am going to give some tips and tricks. I'll do the tutorial on the next head in a different video. Anyways, like I said, you definitely want some engine assembly lube, because you want to put it underneath the buckets, on the side walls, and on top. I've done these ones. I haven't done this one yet. I want to show you how to get them out. They're a little tricky. I couldn't get them out with my hand, so I took these. You got to be really careful because you don't want to damage these at all. These lightly get on there, and it should start lifting up. There you pull it out. Put some lube on this, inside of here, on the bottom, and the walls here, and on the top. I'm gonna put more on the top of these once I actually put the cam in, but for now that's plenty. And do them one at a time, because you do not want to mix these up. These have to stay in the same spot. Okay guys, got the cams all on, got these torqued down 7 foot-pounds, and then these ones are 14.5 foot-pounds. So you do these two first, these two, then these two, these two, these two, and these two. I'm probably gonna have to pull these ones off. I put the RTV stuff in along here, 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 and here. I may have to pull this side off because I wanted to redo the RTV that's in these half moons. So I'm gonna try to get this off without removing this, but we'll see. This one I should be able to remove, but I'll have to mess with that more in the morning. It's really late right now and there's a big storm, so I'm gonna get inside and head to bed. Guys, I'm gonna bring this video to an end. Gotta do the brakes on my Jeep. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick vlog video I made. And please comment, like, subscribe, and check out my last video on how to install ARP head studs and the head gasket on the engine. And then, yeah, anyways, see you guys next time. Peace.